Welcome back, students, to the next video in our series of making Pac-Man. In this video, we're going to make the Pac-Man so that he can escape from the ghosts by going out the secret exit at the top and then coming back in, or going out the secret exit on the side and then coming back in. Also, it works in the other direction. If you go at the bottom, you come back in the top. The ghosts cannot go through these secret exits, so we're just going to start with the up arrow first because that's the first one in my list. I'm going to put Pac-Man as far up here as I can. So now I know the X and Y coordinates of where that location is for Pac-Man. And I'm going to come over here to my if key up arrow is pressed. And in this group at the bottom of it, I'm going to add an if statement for what I'm trying to do. So let's make sure that it's not, that's bad. It should be not inside. I want it under. There we go. So I want to make sure that those two ifs are underneath of each other. And then I'm going to go to an operators and I want to grab the one where I say this one. So, and then over here, I'm going to put in a different number, but it says 50 for now. That's fine. And then under the dark blue motion area, if you go down to the very dark blue, the very bottom of it, there's a Y position. So up and down is considered Y. Remember, side to side is considered X. So if the Y position is greater than this number over here, so I'm going to, it says 181. So I'm actually going to type in 180. Now, I can always adjust that number later, but this is just to kind of see if the testing works. And if we move Pac-Man up there, and honestly, I can change that number to like 185. I can pick any number I want. Then what I want to do is once it reaches that point, it should automatically teleport to here. So I'm going to go back to the go to XY, put that into the mouth, except those numbers are wrong. So I'll throw it back away and put it down here. Oh, come with me now. There we go. Come with me now. There we go. Okay, so I want it to reappear right there. So now those numbers are correct. Go to XY, put that in there. Okay, so now I'm going to play the game. At least I think I'm going to play the game. Let's press stop and then go. Okay, so I need to move him all the way over, and he's going to come up here as he goes up. Okay, so the problem is he can only get to 180. So that's that my testing didn't work. So I typed in 185. So I'm going to type in 179. Okay, then I'm going to pull him back down, start the game again. So as he goes up, there we go. That worked. So I'm just going to drag him up there again. Let's just test it one more time. So as he goes up, boom, he comes in from the bottom. Okay, so it's nice and seamless. Now, see if you can figure out how to do that going back the other direction, and see if you can figure out how to do that side to side. I'm going to solve that in the next video, but if you already solve it, then you don't need to do that in the next video. You can do it for yourself. Okay, that's great for this video. We'll see you in the next one.